In February of 2024, I received $30,000 in allocation. April was $30K again. May was $40,000. June was $30,000. July was $65,000, and August will be $30,000. I've personally withdrawn $312 last quarter and will be withdrawing $1,135 in a couple of weeks' time. Hi friends, I am Lisa Forex, an ex-programmer and data scientist, recently turned full-time trader and content creator. I'll show you my tricks on how I've been able to remain consistent over the past 6 months trading on Darwinex. 1 year ago, I created this account. If you look at my equity chart, it hasn't been a smooth ride, and you can see two totally different equity charts. I started off with a high-risk grid martingale robot, and after seeing my first big drawdown, you can see the equity chart drop and almost flatlined. This is where I learned my lesson about the Darwinex risk engine. So you don't want to employ high risk strategies. They want low risk strategies. So from the 29th of January 2024, I started using low risk expert advisors. Once a month, I generate robots using Express Generator and also share these with the members of my paid community. And I add these robots to my Darwinex account. And I just leave it there running until I get the email. LFY is now in Darwinex IA Silver's allocation positions. So when I get that, I log into my Darwinex account and see if it is still above rating 75 or higher. And sometimes it drops between the time I get the email and the time I'm able to log on. If that's the case, then I'll just check it again the following day. And as soon as it hits 75, I close all trades and stop trading for the month. This is all to secure the 30,000 in allocation. Sometimes I get 30,000, sometimes I get more. In July, I managed to get 65,000 in allocation, which is the highest I've ever achieved, and ended the month 74th position. So this strategy does limit the profits you make per month, because I am effectively capping my profits between 1 to 4%. The other strategy you can go for is to aim to get the first position in Darwinex Silver, where the winner gets $375,000 in allocation. However, there are 7,676 participants last month. And am I crazy enough to say I'm the best trader out of 7,676 people? Definitely not. Because aiming for high returns also it means you could end up in a drawdown. And then at the end of the month, if your rating falls below 75, then you get nothing. Nada. Zip. Currently, I am in Darwinex Silver, which means when you get allocation, you get to keep it for 3 months. But you can stack them up to a maximum of 3 at a time, which is fine because this is going to be my 5th consecutive month getting allocation. And as the old ones expire, the new allocations will replace the old ones. I see Darwinex as a game, and all games have rules. And I used to be a pretty mean disciplined priest when I was playing World of Warcraft when I was younger. So I know how to work within the rules. And the rules are pretty basic. Get 75 rating and you get $30,000 in allocation. Simple. They even have a calculator you can use to help you understand how much you need to make based on your previous track record. So this month I've made 1.57% before I stopped trading, but according to the calculator, I would have gotten allocation even still with a much lower percentage. So you don't need to make crazy percentages every month. You do need to make sure your trades are unique though. So I personally don't use popular expert advisors on my Darwinex accounts. I use the robots I generate myself with Express Generator. And this is what the robots look like, which I have running on another Darwinex account. My process is pretty straightforward. At the start of the month, load the latest robots from the ones I share to my community, wait for the email, and then close off all trades and chill for the rest of the month. So today is halfway through the month, so chillaxing time for me. If you're keen on signing up to Darwinex Silver, use code LISA20 to get €20 off your first month. Chill out.